Hey friends, today Ravneet Bhalla brings to you a healthy cookies premix recipe that will make your life easier when it comes to baking with healthy ingredients at home. We all are addicted to biscuits, so why not bake them at home with ingredients that combine to fill us with nutrition? So let's see what this cookie premix recipe includes. Let's add a nutritional punch with half cup of cashews or almonds or seeds of choice. Then goes half cup of oats, half cup of jaggery powder. For flavor, let's keep the cookie chemical free and add cardamom powder instead of any chemical agents. Pulse it to powder, sift this cookie premix powder to remove grits before blending it with half cup of whole wheat flour. When you sift this powder, your cookie premix is ready. Store in an airtight container in the refrigerator. When you're ready to bake cookies, sift this powder once and then add fat. The next step is to bake cookies with this premix and make cookie dough. I have used 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil here, but feel free to use ghee if you love to bake with homemade ghee. I wanted to keep this recipe vegan, that's it. Now add 1 teaspoon of water as well before gathering all ingredients into a cookie dough. Add 1 tablespoon of besan or chickpea flour if the dough feels too loose. Avoid kneading and simply gather. Preheat air fryer to 140 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. You may preheat your cooker if you want to bake without oven in an idli stand as I have done. Now give shapes using a cookie cutter. Bake oats cookies in air fryer for 12 minutes at 140 degrees Celsius. Check if done, else bake for 4 minutes more if cookies feel too loose to touch. Remember, cookies become crisp upon cooling. Similarly, grease an idli stand with ghee or oil and place cookies into molds. Bake for 10 minutes on lowest flame. Check, else bake a little longer. The cookies will bake quickly in idli stand. Let jaggery biscuits cool down before munching on these crispy bites. The refined sugar-free biscuits without baking powder or soda are more like naan khatais. If you love Indian shortbread biscuits, then you will go crazy for these nutritional cookies. Do write to me what type of cookies you're looking for so I can come up with a healthy alternative. Share this recipe with friends and let's spread the word about healthy eating. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon with yet another healthy recipe.